Hey friends, if you wish to kill a non-responding process in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Search for Task Manager and open Task Manager. Okay. Now let us say that the process which is difficult is I'll open Notepad for you to create a process. Okay. All you need to do is right click on notepad.exe and select and task. But if this doesn't work, then we have a command line for you, which is task kill space / im space the name of the process space / f. Now copy this, search for command prompt, open command prompt. Okay. I'll open Notepad once again, paste it here and hit enter. And it says successfully the notepad process has been terminated, and as you can see, notepad has been closed. And this / f basically means by force. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.